Hi everyone, I'm Jen Dindinger with University of Maryland Sea Grant Extension. With the weather getting warmer and everyone getting out into their yards more, I'd like to share a few tips with you about rain barrels and rain gardens. You can always find more information about these and other stormwater topics on our website, extension.umd.edu/watershed, or just drop me a line. If you have a rain barrel, now is the time for spring maintenance. Thoroughly drain and flush the barrel, including any spigots you've attached, and check the stand to make sure it's still sturdy and level. Rain barrels can weigh up to 450 pounds when full. You do not want that tipping over. Check that the mesh screen is still fastened tightly and has no holes. If there are holes, replace the mesh to avoid a mosquito problem. Add a mosquito dunk if desired. Remember that rain barrels function best when empty. If you have a soaker hose attached, make sure the water is draining through it. You may need to drill a few 3/16 of an inch diameter holes to allow for faster drainage. You can use your barrel water to water ornamental plants, to wash cars, or just allow it to drain onto the yard so the barrel is empty for the next storm. Thank you for your efforts to help reduce stormwater pollution. With respect to rain gardens, we've had a nice run of rainy days and sunny days, so things are growing and blooming rapidly. Now is the time to get your rain garden in shape so you only have to do minimal maintenance for the rest of the season. Start by raking out all the leaves and cutting back any of the winter interest, dried stalks or stems you left for the birds. Check that the inlet and outlet are free of debris and that water can move freely through them. Look for any eroded areas and repair them with soil and mulch. Cut back any excessive perennial growth if you are concerned that those plants are overtaking other plants in the garden. Add triple shredded hardwood mulch to bare spots. Remove weeds by hand and replace any dead plants. Many local nurseries and garden centers are having native plant sales right now. Take advantage of these sales to pick up a few more plants to add to your garden. Remember to get plants that can have wet feet, but can also tolerate dry conditions like we experience here in the summer. The Fish and Wildlife Service Guide to Native Plants is an excellent resource if you want to learn more about finding the right plant for your garden. Thanks again for your efforts to help manage stormwater pollution, and have fun out there.